in the Coco kitchen. Today I'm going to show you two different chocolate sauces. One is cold and one is hot, and they can be used on any dessert you like. The first one I'll show you is a cold one, and it uses banana, which is a great natural sugar source, so you don't need to add any other sugars, and it's healthy enough for every day. So we're just going to start with one banana, and a ripe banana is better, of course. So put to the blender, 1/4 of a cup of almond milk, or any other plant-based milk. Then cacao powder, which is better than cocoa powder. It's higher in nutrients and not as refined. But you could use cocoa if that's all you have. So 2 tablespoons of cacao, and lastly 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now all you have to do is blend. So as you can see, we are left with a really nice chocolatey sauce that's very good for you as well, and great to put on any dessert like ice cream or anything else. Now we'll move on to the hot sauce. So just in a saucepan, we'll put 1/2 cup of cacao powder, 1/3 of a cup of chopped dark chocolate. Make sure it's over 70% cocoa. And as you know, dark chocolate has amazing health benefits, very high in minerals and antioxidants. So we'll put that in, and then need 1/2 cup of water and just a pinch of Himalayan salt and a tablespoon of maple syrup. So place the pan on medium heat and just stir until it comes to the boil. Okay, so then just turn the heat to low and just keep stirring it until it's nice and thick and shiny. So now we have 2 delicious chocolate sauces, one hot and one cold, ready for your favourite desserts. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.